Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can make money online just by watching ads. And yes, you heard that right, simply watching ads. Imagine earning $1.80 every single minute. Sounds too good to be true? Well, stick around and I'll break it down for you. First things first, let's talk about why this is even possible. Companies are willing to pay big bucks to get their advertisements in front of potential customers. And with platforms like Google Ads, they've created opportunities for regular folks like you and me to profit from this. So how does it work? There are several platforms that pay users to watch ads. One of the most popular ones is Swagbucks. It's super easy to sign up and start earning. Once you're in, you'll find various options to earn points, known as Swagbucks or SB. Watching videos including ads is one of them. Now let's break down the steps. First, create an account on Swagbucks. Don't worry, it's free and takes just a few minutes. After you've signed up, navigate to the watch section. Here you'll find a variety of video playlists, and yes, they include ads. Simply click play and watch them. For every ad you watch, you earn Swagbucks. And here's the cool part, you can let the videos run while you're doing other things. Multitasking for the win. On average, watching ads can earn you around 2-3 SB per ad, which translates to about $1.80 every minute if you're consistent. But wait, there's more. Another platform to consider is Inbox Dollars. Similar concept, but it pays you directly in dollars. Sign up, watch ads, and get paid. It's that simple. Plus, they offer a $5 bonus just for joining. Now let's talk about maximizing your earnings. Consistency is key. Set aside a dedicated time each day to watch ads. Even just 30 minutes a day can add up to a significant amount over time. Also, take advantage of referral programs. Invite your friends, and you can earn a percentage of their earnings too. One last tip, keep an eye out for special promotions. Sometimes these platforms offer double or triple points for watching specific ads. Make the most out of these opportunities to boost your earnings. So there you have it. A simple and effective way to make money online by watching ads. Remember, it won't make you rich overnight, but it's a fantastic way to earn a little extra cash in your spare time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on making money online. Thanks for watching and happy earning.